In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Asana and add tasks. By the end, you'll feel confident starting a project from scratch or using a template so you can organize work quickly and clearly. First, open Asana in Google Chrome and log in. Using Chrome helps ensure everything loads smoothly and the interface behaves as expected. After signing in, double check that you're in the correct workspace or team, especially if you have access to multiple organizations. That way, your new project will live in the right place from the start, and the right people will be able to find it. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the plus new project button. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so you can see the options. Click that button to begin. This is your starting point for creating a dedicated space where tasks, discussions, and timelines can come together. You'll be prompted to choose between starting with a blank project or using a template. A blank project is best when you want full control and your workflow is unique. Templates are great if you're following a repeatable process like onboarding, event planning, or content production. Take a moment to consider what will save you time. If your project type repeats, a template can give you sensible structure and naming patterns right away. If it's something new, a blank canvas is perfect. Next, give your project a clear, meaningful name and select your privacy settings. A descriptive name helps teammates recognize the purpose at a glance, and adding a date or team tag can make it even more searchable. For privacy, decide who should see and edit the project. Public to your team is useful for open collaboration and transparency. Private to project members keeps sensitive work restricted to only those you invite. Pick the option that matches your organization's norms and the content you'll be handling. With the project created, start adding tasks to build it out. Use short, action-oriented titles so each task communicates what needs to be done. Break larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks to make progress easier to track. You can add tasks one by one, and you don't have to be perfect on the first pass. Just capture the essentials. As you go, keep related tasks clustered together so the project's structure stays intuitive. You can always refine names and order later as plans evolve. That's it. Open Asana, create your project, choose the right starting point, set a clear name and privacy, and begin adding tasks. You're ready to organize your work with confidence.